IELTS Speaking Part 2 Topic. Describe a song or piece of music that has a special meaning to you. What is the song or music piece? Who is the artist or composer? What is the significance or story behind it? How does it make you feel when you listen to it?
One song that holds a profound significance in my life is Imagine by John Lennon. Written and composed by the legendary Beatles member, John Lennon himself, Imagine has become an iconic anthem for peace, unity, and hope. Its poignant lyrics and captivating melody have resonated with me ever since I first heard it during my teenage years. The song's significance lies in its powerful message of envisioning a world free from divisions, conflict, and materialistic desires. John Lennon's vision of a utopian society, where people live in harmony, devoid of borders, religions, and possessions, struck a chord deep within my soul. The poignant words invite listeners to imagine a better world and to question the barriers that separate us as human beings. Indeed, the song urges us to think outside the box and to transcend the limitations of our individual perspectives. Imagine was released in 1971, a time marked by social unrest and political upheaval. It became an anthem for the peace movement and continues to inspire generations with its timeless message. The song's relevance extends beyond its initial release and remains pertinent in today's world, where conflicts and divisions still persist. Its enduring relevance showcases the power of music to transcend time and to touch the hearts of people across different eras. Whenever I listen to Imagine, I am overwhelmed by a myriad of emotions, ranging from deep contemplation to a sense of hope and optimism. The simplicity of the music, with its gentle piano chords, complements the profoundness of the lyrics. The song's serene atmosphere is like a soothing balm to my weary soul, providing solace and a momentary escape from the chaos of daily life. The idea of a world without boundaries and strife evokes a sense of longing and a desire for a brighter future. John Lennon's words serve as a gentle reminder that change begins within each of us, urging us to take small steps towards creating a more harmonious world. The song's thought-provoking lyrics: "You may say, I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will live as one inch," resonate with my belief in the collective power of individuals to shape a better world. Moreover, Imagine has been an instrumental source of comfort during challenging times in my life. In moments of uncertainty or when faced with personal struggles, listening to the song offers a sense of reassurance and acts as a guiding light, urging me to remain steadfast and resolute in my pursuit of a more compassionate world. In conclusion, Imagine by John Lennon is not merely a song to me, it's an anthem that embodies hope, unity, and peace. The timeless message and powerful melody make it a song that continues to inspire and move me deeply. Imagine has taught me to embrace empathy and compassion, and it serves as a constant reminder of the potential for positive change in the world. In its echoes, I find serenity and a steadfast resolve to be an agent of harmony and love. Hope you liked our video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated.